Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 healthiest vegan gains. Veganism has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits, and many people have switched to a plant-based diet to improve their overall health and well-being. In this video, we will be exploring the top 10 healthiest vegan gains and how they can benefit your health. Number 10. A vegan diet is naturally low in saturated and trans fats, which are often found in animal products. As a result, a plant-based diet can improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, and lowering blood pressure. Number 9. Studies have shown that a vegan diet can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is because plant-based diets are rich in fiber, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Number 8. A plant-based diet may also reduce the risk of certain types of cancers, such as colon, breast, and prostate cancers. This is because a vegan diet is rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, which can help to prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Number 7. Plant-based diets are naturally high in fiber, which can improve digestion, reduce constipation, and promote regular bowel movements. Additionally, a vegan diet can reduce inflammation in the gut, which can alleviate symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease and other digestive disorders. Number 6. A vegan diet is rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can alleviate symptoms of chronic diseases such as arthritis and may even reduce the risk of developing these diseases. Number 5. Contrary to popular belief, a vegan diet can improve bone health. Plant-based diets are rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are essential nutrients for bone health. Additionally, a vegan diet can reduce the risk of osteoporosis by reducing the amount of acid-forming foods in the diet, which can leach calcium from bones. Number 4. A vegan diet may also improve brain function by reducing inflammation in the brain and improving blood flow. Additionally, plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants, which can protect the brain from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Number 3. A plant-based diet is rich in vitamins and minerals, which can improve skin health. Additionally, vegan diets are often lower in processed foods and sugar, which can contribute to acne and other skin conditions. Number 2. A vegan diet can also benefit the environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, water consumption, and land use. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to climate change and deforestation, and a plant-based diet can help to reduce the environmental impact of our food choices. Number 1. Lastly, a vegan diet can improve animal welfare by reducing demand for animal products. Animal agriculture often involves inhumane conditions and practices, and a plant-based diet can help to reduce the suffering of animals. So, there you have it, the top 10 healthiest vegan gains. From improved heart health to reduced inflammation and improved brain function, there are numerous health benefits associated with a plant-based diet. If you're looking to improve your health and well-being, consider adopting a vegan diet. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you have found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on natural remedies and alternative medicine.